In today's video, we're adding money to our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Well, the money that will go towards our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. And this still is a 52-week savings challenge, and it still is working with small amounts of money. So, stay tuned and join me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for your emergency fund or your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into in case something like this happens, okay? You'll have money to tap into and you'll be glad and you'll be happy. Yes, you will. Just imagine if something like this was to happen and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance. You can buy food. You can keep things going. Because talk is cheap. It takes money to buy land and to pay bills and do things. Yeah, it takes money. And it ain't gonna fall out the sky. You have to have an income to do these savings challenges. To do anything, you need to have an income. Now, I may not use all these cards today because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Now, but one thing I will say, if this video is saving towards your 3 to 6 months, your living expenses. Now, I had used this in 2024 and 2025, and I decided to change it. I found this little small one at Dollar Tree. I think it's going to be easier to work with. And then we're going to add a new one to it, this one too. Someone reached out to me and asked me would I do one with $50 bills. Now this one, I was cash stuffing this with $125 every Friday, but I'm changing it to just $100 every Friday. And that will equal up to $5,000 by the end of this year. Okay, so I know at first I had said I wasn't going to do this. I mentioned that I was not going to do this one. And somebody reached out to me and asked me not to eliminate this because they were doing this one. I thought no one was doing it. But they said they were doing it. And this made them to think big. So I'm going to do it, but it's not going to be $125 a week. It's going to be $100. And if you're still doing $125, you just keep doing it that way. Or if you want to just do $100 every Friday, that's fine too. Okay, but you know what? The thing is, do something. Okay? So if emergency comes, you won't have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? Because this and this is this. And we want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Now, one thing that can help you to save money towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, if you start doing whatever you can to come out of this. This can help you, okay? Yeah. And I feel that this is a good savings challenge, or if this is your situation, okay? Yeah. Okay? All right, I'm not going to go too long on those. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to do the daily affirmations today because I got so many things on my mind. Yeah, okay, so what you need for this savings challenge, where we're stuffing this photo album with $100 bills, okay? So, yeah, you need a $100 bill for this one. Oops, look at me. And then we're gonna stuff this one with $50 bills. Okay? All right, so that's what you need for this one, $50 bills. And whichever one you want to do is fine. But somebody asked me, would I do one for $50 bills? Now, these photo albums has, is it 50 pages in it? I think. But anyway, we're going to cash stuff these photo albums until they are finished, completed. Okay? Now, you know what? Let me go ahead and read these daily affirmations really quickly. Oh, and another thing that can help you with these savings challenges, if you live on less than what you make, watch your spending, go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep, and don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Watch your spending, okay? And if you're a person that likes to go this place, you can buy this coffee at the store, you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our daily affirmations really quick. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. I decree and I declare I am prosperous, send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free, I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financial free. I decree and I declare I'm a money magnet. I decree and I declare that I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and this one I started on the 9th. So we're going to add this $100 bill in here on the 9th of January. Okay? So that's $100, $200. Let's go ahead and add that into our planner. This is where I record everything. And then I got another planner for the other one. I had already had this one. So I just said, let me just use that. Okay, so today is the 16th, and this is considered cash stuffing binder. We'll just say that. And we added $100, and the total amount is $100. Now, if I had started on the 2nd, it'll be $300, but I didn't start this one on 2nd for some reason. I think I did that video, but I didn't get it reposted. Yeah, so we just started on the 9th, so that makes this one here has $200. See? Okay, and then we're going to record this one. We're going to add this $50 into this one. Okay, now these are just some photo albums that I got out of Dollar Tree for $1.25. If you all want to spend the money and go ahead and get those other fancy ones, you can. But I just see it like this. I'll make it work, you know. I had to come to a point in my life. I had to start making things work, something work, because I was like a very picky, ticky person, and I used to drive myself crazy being so picky and ticky. Yeah. Okay, so today, I know it's from the throat. Today is the 9th, and this is cash stuffing binder. We added $50. Oh, you know what? I had added a 50. Oh, no, today is not the 9th. No, today is the 16th. I'm sorry. Cash stuffing binder. We added $50. And the total amount is $100. Okay? Because of what I did, I added a 50 before I start filming. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.